Hello everyone. Welcome to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, we are going to learn important English vocabulary words to help you speak English more fluently and confidently in daily life. Big, large, small, tiny, fast, quick, slow, sluggish, happy, joyful, sad, upset, easy, simple, hard, difficult, smart, intelligent, strong, powerful, weak, feeble, hot, warm, cold, chilly, old, ancient, new, modern. Start, begin, end, finish, help, assist, buy, purchase, show, display, tell, inform, ask, inquire, answer, reply, look, observe, speak, talk, think, consider, try, attempt, need, require, keep, maintain, change, alter, beautiful, pretty, ugly, unattractive, clean, tidy, dirty, messy, rich, wealthy, poor, impoverished, brave, courageous, scared, afraid, funny, humorous, loud, noisy, quiet, silent, bright, brilliant, dark, dim, friendly, amiable, attractive, appealing, mad, angry, peaceful, calm, essential, important, popular, famous, occupation, job, home, house, kid, child, educator, teacher, learner, student, thought, idea, tale, story, issue, problem, response, answer, aim, goal, strategy, plan. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Speak Fluent English for more useful English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.